Alright, I'm about to go inside the shop and see what Cameron's up to. He is in here detailing a customer's car, which, light. And we finally got a heater going, check that out. So we got a heater, it is so cold outside. But we're here, he's just doing some detailing on the car, it's super noisy. There's Cameron, say what's up, Cameron! So basically, I'm gonna hang out with him, it's just gonna be a chill night. I do have a few mods I'm going to do on the M4 today. I'm gonna get away from that because it's so loud. But the M4 is getting, you know what, let's hold that. The M4 is gonna get a banner on the windshield today, and I'm gonna try to cut out the sensors, play around with it. I may not have the right amount of vinyl. Let's keep, we'll have to figure that one out. But there's a few things. Woo! Alright, so here's why one thing I really want to do. I'm going to actually do it first. It is in my bag, again, kind of like I was picking out earlier. Can you guess it? You're right. It's actually tint. It's Taillight tint. It's exterior tint. It's the lightest shade I could find online. I honestly don't even know where I got it. I've had it laying around for a little while, but it's the lightest tint I could find online for taillights. I will probably look again and try to find something lighter. I've never done any type of, I don't know what to call it. I have vinyl experience. I can work with vinyls. I'm not necessarily that good at it, but like I've helped wrap a car, the banners. If I'm tired, I get stressed out. You gotta really be patient for it. But this stuff is a new material I've never dealt with. It's very light. My goal is to make these taillights. I want these taillights from this bright red to a dark red. I don't want them black. I don't want them gray. I want it to be a darker red, which this is gonna make it more than a darker red. I think it's gonna be too dark, but again, I really looked. So I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta prep these taillights. I'm just gonna hose them down with some spray, and then hopefully, if Cameron, wherever he is, if he has a clay bar, I'm probably gonna clay bar it real quick. Make sure I get all the nasty off and make him feel new again before I wrap it. But it just takes a heat gun. We'll spray the taillights down with some watery soap. That scared me. But we'll get the taillights watery soap and we'll put it on and heat gun it on. This is gonna be basically an experiment. Hopefully it goes well. I don't know. Don't ask. But hopefully it goes really well. So let's go ahead and get going. Alright, so one is done. We'll probably end up redoing it. There's a few spots there I think it will come out. This one is one we'll probably have to redo. The easy one ended up being the hard one. I don't know what it is, but we really had troubles with that crease. So it is a darker red, but it is pretty in person. So we're going to go ahead and do this. And while Cameron was edging that one, I went ahead and lined up where I'm going to put the banner. I wanted it lower. I wanted it along this line. But since it's a straight edge, by the time you get over here, it ends up being there. And you can kind of see where the steering wheel is and the eye level. It's like literally the level as the steering wheel. It's way too low. So I might have put up a lot higher than I wanted to. It's just because the roof has such an incline. But it's going to look good.
Oh, dude, it looks so nice. How could you not be recording?
Honestly, I'm a patient person sometimes. This is patience. I can wrap a car better than this. But it's coming out really good. Cameron, your turn.
Alrighty. Tuck and roll.
I'm having the tucker. He's the tuck and roller. Here's the blade if you need it.
I don't think so.
Okay. Because I don't know, the cuts are the best. Here, I'll hold the heat gun for you.
Zap that for me right there. That's gonna be my worst. Oh. Okay.
You're gonna melt it.
You might just have to
Let's try his face out.
use my little.
His face
Hey,
out.
my hair's already on fire. Let's not add to it.
Let me do
God, I don't see how you didn't feel that earlier. Oh, you just being a pussy. No. This thing's hot as fuck.
pussy.
Wait till he meets.
That's your scratch Taillight tint DIY.
Oh, this is just as it's gonna scratch it just as good.
Something we learned about this tint is it's actually double-sided clear. So it's got a clear side on the adhesive side, but it has one on the other side. The issue is we peeled it off to put on the tint, and we had to because it wasn't as flexible. If it would crease all, you couldn't tell if it was the actual tint or if it was the clear like cover prevent you from scratching it, installing it. So I guess I'm not professional enough, you could say. Say we're not professional enough. I don't know. We peeled it off.
This is professional. We're certified.
It was the best way to do it. But after this install, he will be doing these.
Heck yeah. This is my first rodeo.
You gotta start somewhere. Alright, ready to wrap the Mini? Alright, we're gonna start wrapping the Mini. What do you got to say about that?
That's good enough.
It's only 12:36 and he's trying to bail.
What the
You can't get it.
hell is that?
What is that? I knew the diffuser was that nice, but I didn't know it was that nice. You stupid. Look at that. Those taillights look so good, dude. I want them to cure. Yeah, those water bubbles. I wish it was like the Vivid, where it just comes out.
Wow, you cut that really nice too. Good job, buddy. Props to you.
The sensors. I cut
Yeah.
the lower one a little too big, but it's hard
Yeah.
to tell when you're
No,
cutting that out.
It's perfect.
And now I'm gonna get the matte black. They don't know. When this car is modified to a certain extent, that will say something. It will say something. But let's see if the team will let the car in first.
What? What? I can already guess what you're about to put on there. Objects in the mirror are losing.
The old one had BMW emblem, but I went through this company. I wasn't really planning on putting this on this car, but I saw it and I may have clicked put it in my car. Alright, so something changed. The battery died. First of all, battery died. Had to get that on the charger. It's only 10% right now. I can't film that much left tonight. It is now 1:27 a.m. And well, we're both tired, and we're so tired we're waking up, and we decided to do something else. There's a little bit of vinyl left for the taillights. Again, I may have to end up redoing mine, but even if I do have to reorder, I don't have enough. And well, we haven't done Mini Cooper work in a while. I suggested wrapping the Mini Cooper because we have wrap for it, but nope, we're in the Taillight tint. So we're gonna probably do a quick time lapse. This is before, we're gonna do an after. Let's go ahead and time lapse this real quick. He's already holding it. He's gonna get this one. But heck yeah!
We're certified professionals now. No doubt about that.
Whew, all right, I bet you the camera died, or I ended it early. I bet you it died. I bet the camera died. Well, we got them both tinted. And I think we've gotten really good at it. Compare mine as we went. We started learning how the material like warps and how it treats the heat. It actually works with heat a lot better than vinyl wrap. So we learned a lot. We may end up, I'm gonna let mine cure. It's got a few creases that drive me nuts and I want it to be perfect, so I may end up replacing it. But it was from learning, and we should have started with his, honestly, because it's a lot more simple, but it's still complex. It has a weird curvature, kind of like a basketball, just curved. But his looks dang good. I'm sorry it was far away. There was nowhere to place it. I was trying to keep it on the charger it was going, but when I came to the camera, I realized it was turned off. But look at that. Again, there's some bubbles, but those will cure out in the sun. This like a cherry red. Like, this is beautiful. It's a little bit darker in camera. I don't know why it's doing that. It's a cherry red. Not even that dark of a cherry red. It's beautiful. The car in general. Again, you have the Domo up on there. Let's see, I'll focus on Domo. Daily whips, there's my Instagram right there. Hard to see, again, it's something you see in person really easy. And that banner with the cutout sensor there, and then I had to cut it for the rain sensor. Looks amazing. It was a successful night. It is now 2:11. I don't know why that won't focus. 2:11. He's up there taking some photos. But I'm gonna call this a night for the shop. We're gonna go probably hang out for a little bit longer. I'm probably gonna go home, wake up early in the morning. It's morning, but like 8 a.m., go eat breakfast. I may or may not pick up the camera depending if I can put together like a car show. But guys, this coming up Friday, I probably won't be posting. I post every Friday. I've been posting every Friday since I started this gig. But it's Christmas, and the whole Christmas, I have a lot of trips back and forth from Tulsa, Norman, and work. And it's the busiest time at work of the year. So there's probably not going to be a video of this coming up Friday. But we'll just have to see how it plays out. But if I don't, I'll see you the Friday after next. You guys have a great week. I'll see you later. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe. We're out here taking some photos. I didn't take those glasses off. It's kind of dark. But here, check out this guy's M3. His name's Malik. I want to show you. It's a F80. It's on lowering springs, some carbon. It's got the nicer headlights I really wanted. But we're down here in this ditch. It was what we call a ditch. We used to come down here a lot, BMX, skateboard, things like that. But check it out. The white on red looks amazing. Same wheels. He's got the same interior with the leather wrap dash. Not too many mods interior, but the coolest thing about his car is he's got an exhaust on it, an acro pick or fick or whatever you want to say. Check out these views on views. What do you got to say? What are you doing?
I kind of like sitting on really.
Oh shit! That sand is slippery. Dude, that looks good.
What I'd like to be, a different side of me.